Chatbot. No, I can't respond to him, I don't tell you. All of these on sale, you know. Handmade. Natural handmade, just me.
Yeah.
It's a fat pan, so you have to trim it up, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, oxtail is a thing where I'm fat to it. Washing the meat, you have to wash the meat. You know, have no choice. Some people don't, but me have to wash the meat, you know what I mean? Coming from the slaughterhouse. Drop on the floor, then not throw it in, then take it up and put it back in here. Oh yeah. And when this done now, this full of taste. What? Full of taste. Now the first beginning of this point, you know, garlic.
Yeah. Okay.
You can buy the garlic powder, but you know the garlic powder not really carry the flavor like the natural garlic, you know. You go and crush the garlic. See? By the time it cook now, by the time it cook, it melt out. You take your knife and you run across it and you cut them up small, you know what I mean? That's the first step. Some people use just onion. No, me use onion and scallion. Yeah. Some people call this green onion, me call it scallion. Yeah. Yeah, you have to wash them things you go down through chemicals. And when they call the warehouse enough of the time, then they can wash them, then just put them out there and take a hose and if any dirt, any leaf and dirt upon it, some of the time they wash it off.
Okay.
Cheese. Seems like you go to the restaurant, you know what I mean, and you're eating a fish dinner, fried fish dinner. You want onion on it. Some people eat the onion raw. Some eat it cooked. 5 pounds I eat. I have to take all of that.
Alright.
Yeah. Now when you come home now and take it out, contain out water. Cold water. And see all this thing growing on the field. Yeah. And when you do that now, it give you more time now to because grass and all them things growing out some of the time. And some of the company them who packaging the thing, them not really clean it up. So cut it like this and melt out, may melt out of the pot. Yeah. Now you can't put too much of the seasoning in the pot because it make the thing bitter if you overuse this thing. Now through my experience, now I have to use a spoon. For you now you have to use a what you call it, a tablespoon. So with this amount of oxtail now, we have put 4 or 5 tablespoons in it to get that flavor. Yeah, and that is just about the seasoning for oxtail. Now this is a very dangerous thing. You can't put too much. This 5 pound oxtail, you put 2 tablespoons of this in there. That 1 tablespoon and a half, put it like that. Yeah. Because if you use too much, it's bitter. Yeah. Give it the color. Okay. You see the oxtail out white? Alright, when you use this in there, it eat that brown color and that flavor, the taste where you're looking, what you're crazy about. Yeah, the brown and give you that taste. As for me now, when I cook oxtail, you don't put water in there too much. You know what I mean? If I have a big amount of oxtail, I cook now 10-20 pound oxtail, then I put a cup of water in the bottom of the pot. You know what I mean? Because you can't put no oil in there. Because the meat already have fat on it and the pot becomes oil. Yeah. This is what it looks like when you mix it. Onion, scallion, thyme, browning and seasoning. Give you that look. Well, this ready to go on the fire now. Yeah. You turn it on a warm up. Because oxtail take at least 3 hours to cook. Because you start it on a warm up. You put the food on the stove to warm up. Then you don't turn it on the high. So you have to make him cook on the moon to get the flavor what you want. Now this is a thing with them called in the store, poi. This gives you, it boosts up the food and give it a flavor too. Yeah. So if you're lucky to go to the store and you can find it in the most store that sell oxtail, carry these things. That's just a flavor thing, you know what I mean? Because they throw the oxtail. It not carry no whole heap of flavor to itself. The mommy tell them not put no salt in it. No. Yeah. So this is what you cook, what you look for. Yeah. And that's what it look like. If you feel like you use a knife and you shave it off. Yeah. Yeah. You can put all 2 in there too. You can't kill nothing. You can't kill nothing. Yeah. You see, through it have a salt flavor to it. If you drop it in there by the block, it sit at one place. But when you cut it up, it spread out. Yeah, so now it's what? 10 o'clock? By 12 o'clock it's ready.